When designing a website or a magazine, a graphic designer focuses on arranging elements such as text and images to create a specific look or feel. This is often overlooked in presentation design. Though there are many design concepts that are utilized by graphic designers, one concept that can be utilized by presentation developers is the hierarchy of information. Hierarchy of information is the arrangement of visual attributes that communicate the level of importance of a specific item in relationship to other associated items. These items can include text, images, and anything else displayed on the screen. Their importance is communicated through the use of contrast. 5 elements of contrast include size, shape, shade, color, and proximity. These attributes can be used to inflate or decrease the importance of a specific element or suggest a relationship or a lack of one between associated elements. Let's look at each of these. Size. An item can be larger or smaller than associated items. Typically, making an item larger, it will inflate the item's importance, and the opposite is true by making it smaller. Shape. By using a different shape for an item, you will draw attention to that item. However, by making all the items' shapes the same, suggests that all the items are equally important. Shade. Using a more or less intense shade of a color will highlight the item. Color. Color can be used to highlight a specific item. It can also suggest emotion. For example, reds, yellows, or orange suggest warmth, where grays and blues suggest cold. Proximity. By putting an item closer suggests a relationship, where separating the item suggests contrast or difference. Hierarchy of information focuses more on how you are communicating than what you communicate. But how you communicate changes what you communicate. However, too often a message is clouded by poor design decisions. When creating a presentation, the design of your layout should always strengthen your message. However, according to Nancy Duarte, the author of Slideology, she states a common mistake presenters make is assigning contrast unintentionally. Virtually any stylistic difference between two elements suggests something to the viewer on either a conscious or subconscious level. Unintentional contrast can confuse the intended message at best and contradict it at worst. When designing your next presentation, consider the hierarchy of information. Ask yourself what the contrast of your elements communicate. By doing this, your presentation will communicate exactly what you intend, and neither you nor your audience will get lost in the message.